Hey there, nature fans! Are you ready to see some amazing views of Islamabad? Right in the middle of Pakistan, Islamabad is full of beautiful nature. Picture the Margalla Hills covered in green plants, just waiting for hikers and people who love taking pictures. Rawal Lake is super calm and perfect for boating or just relaxing by the water. And you can't miss Damaniko, a special spot that lets you see the whole city. From the bright, colourful gardens of Shakaparian to the fun, walking paths of Trail 5, every place in Islamabad feels like a little piece of heaven. Islamabad isn't just a big city, it's where nature and city life mix together perfectly. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to explore the amazing views in Islamabad. Your next big adventure is waiting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more awesome places. See you in the next video. LSLM Likem FTRC Mbat Kernidalw Tierhin Slumabkai Dulkshansrowan Saihern Hochunikili Pkusten Kikl of Mindku Slumabd Kudarit Kai Jabgurki Terechhi. Suyavar Krinke Sursbus de Shad Mergelkai Freien Haikers were Fudigar Frauen Kjopane Treff Blatai Hayan. Preskuan Roll Jail Kishti Ani Isuf Skunsai LTF and was Huni Ke Libetrinhi. Woodiman Koe Kupmt Puli Ye Yik is Shandermakium Jansi Apparai Sherkenza Kirshtihain. Skarprien Kai Rang Brungi Fulwan Wali Beatty Sai Trill 5 Ki Dulksh Ristuan Tak Slum Abdkar Am Keeping Time Jaunt Ki Iktakarhi. Drol Hukum Surf Ich. Bershar Nainha Yabujagachi Jashin Ftarat were Sharizangik Sinmits Jaha Tada Tupini Bag Tier Karen Kamer Thien Warsum Abdki Shinder Minzer Cowdrift Kernikilai Tier How Jain Abkul Bitrin Idubuncher Ab Kmunzer High Zaid Shunder Mukmundakni Kaili Lee Shire was Scrib Karen Buline Multi Hein Glay Widu Mine